and driving intertwined in what I like to call dream car driving. What's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the Dream Car Driving family. If you tapped on this video, guess what? You're in for some good luck, because I'm going to share some knowledge wealth with you in regards to what I truly believe what is the best starter pack for film. You guys to know, I started my first YouTube video with my phone. I didn't care if it was the worst quality whatsoever. I just wanted to start. And you have to be the same way. When's the best time to start? Anytime. It's the same thing with business. When is it good to start a business? I heard Mark Cuban say one time, anytime's a good time to start a business. You just have to have the desire to do so. Dream Car Driving family, I just want to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel, getting us way over 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it greatly. And just like I said, I would announce the winner for my 1K giveaway. The winner is CSM Car Spotting. He came up with the name DCD Drone, and I really liked that name for my drone for the simple fact that I'm really into Star Wars, so having something like R2D2 really grabbed my attention. So the drone's name is DCD2. Reason why number 2 is because the last drone had a fatal crash, and yeah, he's a goner. CSM Car Spotting has won a free merchandise shirt. I recently launched today's the official video of the Dream Car Driving shirt. This one's called the Signature Edition. I have Bianco Rosso, and we have the standard shirt, which is the one that CSM Car Spotted picked out. So yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, because every dollar spent for this channel is going to be invested right back into the channel 100 times fold, to be able to produce more content, supercar content, hypercar content, performance cars, anything that we can think of to bring to this channel, we will make it happen. What do I consider to be a budget-friendly starter pack for maybe vlogging, YouTube, traveling? But before we get to that, we have to understand one thing, that in film, you also have to have a good computer, and you also have to have an editing software to do so. So let me get right to that real quick before we talk about what is the best starter pack for film. So what is a good editing software? The one I started off using was called Shotcut. Shotcut is a good starter editing software because it will teach you the fundamentals, and you start to grasp what it is for color grade, what it is to edit audio, what it is to just cut and clip scenes of your video clips. Well, then after a while I found myself maximizing the potential that I could with that platform, so I switched over to what I'm using right now, which is Filmora 9, which is more than plentiful for what I need. It gives me enough room to grow, and that's what is important. Yeah, you have to pay a little fee, but understand, if you're very passionate about doing film, you'll pay the $30 and some change for, to start your film career. And just to know, sacrifice a couple cheeseburgers that month or this month or next month for you to be able to do what you have to do. It's very simple. I use a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Everything I have bought was used. I bought it off of eBay or off of Amazon, and also every item here that I use in my YouTube starter pack is going to be in the link descriptions below. I use Amazon affiliate marketing, so I'm partnered with them. So if you want to help me and help this channel grow here and there a little bit, please, by all means, go in the links below and order what you would like. If you found anything here interesting, please subscribe. So now what I use is a GoPro Hero 8 Black. I use that for the simple fact that it shoots 4K 60 frames per second. You have amazing gimbal-like stabilization. If you don't know what that means, if you ever saw film on Facebook or maybe Instagram that's all jittery, yeah, that's because that video device that they're using does not have a gimbal-like or a stabilization that makes it buttery smooth, like if you're watching a movie or something like that. So this definitely has that built in, so you don't have to buy a gimbal. You have 4K, you can shoot in 1080. You have so many options with this GoPro, and what makes it amazing is the learning curve is so simple. It's not complex. It's not like a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera where it's going to take time to learn what to use and how to use it. On that GoPro Hero 8 Black, it has good audio. It's not professional grade audio, but it's good enough to start on YouTube. And not only that, I would recommend getting a microphone. I use a Rode microphone. It's very cheap. It cost me 50 bucks. So right now you can get the GoPro for 300 bucks. You can get the Rode mic for 50 bucks, and there you go. For 350 bucks, you know, you got yourself a YouTube starter pack right there. But that's not it. I also have a Ulanzi cover case on the GoPro for the simple fact it protects it. Not only does it protect it, but you have a cold shoe to be able to hold a microphone. And also, if you would like to put a flashlight on the side, it has mounts so you can be able to use so. Hey ducks, yeah, I'm having a great day too. If you liked my intro in the beginning of this video, it's because I used the drone. The drone I used is called the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's the top of the line, state of the art, newest, the top of the MOOC, the best of the best right now, what is out for consumer level, budget friendly, yada yada, go on. Look it up on YouTube, the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's amazing. I would recommend it. It has active track. It has a bunch of features that I would definitely recommend to use. So that's really what I use, and that's what I would recommend. So what I would really recommend to start off with is your phone. If you cannot afford anything in this video, I just say salute to you. And you know, if you have a passion, start off with your phone, no matter if it's 720p. Look at my first video and how sucky it was. I had no professional audio. I used a sucky cheap Metro PCS phone. So if you want to know how to just continue to grow, you know, watch my channel. You know, we can learn off of each other. You can give me advice on what you think is the best starter pack to start on YouTube or just in film in general. I'm just giving you my knowledge of what I've been doing. Also, who's holding my camera right now? Yeah, I'm paying someone about, you know, 200 bucks an hour to hold a camera to show my ugly face on your screen. No, I have a tripod for that. That'll be a link in the description below. Thing that you definitely need if you want to really just be independent as well. I hope you like this video. It's short, sweet, and simple. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving. I hope you enjoy your wonderful day, wherever it's at.